Hello! In this video, you will learn how to start a course in self-study mode and show you how to get the most out of your study sessions directly in your browser. Let's dive in. To get started, make sure you signed into Kahoot account and have at least one course already created in your library. If you are new to courses, check out description for guidance on how to create a Kahoot course. From your library, go to the Courses section and open the details page for the course you want to self-study. On the right-hand side, under the Course Self-Study block, simply click the Learn button. A new tab or window will automatically open with the course player. Just enter your nickname and click OK Go to jump right in. The course will now run in a single-player mode. It's designed to reinforce what you've just learned through spaced repetition and a swipe-based format. Ready to take control of your study sessions? Try out the Learn mode in Kahoot courses today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Kahoot tips and tutorials. Happy learning!